My people, they say that As Wike have finally set fire wey no go fit quench for inside River State. As e stand right now, no be small thing dey happen inside that place. As this woman don come outside come review, e say very soon, if something is done of the ruling wey the judge come put for inside River State, they say that hunger go kpai a lot of people for inside the state. As e stand like this, so they say that our father, our brother, wey they call Ned Woko, they say Ned Woko don carry the matter go far for Alioma State to stand and make it the 6th Eastern State. Our brothers across the rivers say they want to reincarnate and join. They want to join their brothers in the other side of the river. They are one Igbo people and nobody will take it away from them. My people, development is coming. As that one dey happen, they say that the people of River State don't raise a protest, a rally candle for Wike, for him to buy sharp so that River State go good again. My people, it don't read though. People they pray for Wike, make him buy today, tomorrow, so that River State go pay better again. The proper investigation of how many checkpoints from Enugu to Oka has been finally conducted. They say that Enugu to Oka checkpoint is 18 checkpoints in that road. And what are those people doing? So extorting money from drivers, which you are going to see in this video we are going to play to you. While we are bringing these headlines for you to calm down and relax and watch the full videos, all the whole details, so that you know what they go on for this last one. Oh yeah, let me play you the videos, may you watch. First one, we are going to look into wetin dey happen right now for inside the River State. As it they go, and before we jump to another update, stay tuned and watch the video. Please, before we play this video, rush now and follow our new page, Balaba G's Vlog. We are very slow in that page. Follow that page and make sure so you are sharing the videos over there, so that other people go they get the information as it they happen. Now watch the video of waiting they happen for inside River State before we jump to another update as it they hot.
One of the things I heard from the governor, even when the court injunction came out, he said, I'm focused on governance.
Yeah, but he's not going to have any money to govern.
Yes, he's not going to have money to govern. When you look at, I think what we are going to be doing now, we are going to be looking for the judges that are issuing these threats, the judges that are issuing these judgments. Even the judge, I think the judge that issued the Kogi case will account for themselves. But the judges that have, I think, the Chief Justice has already, reported some cases of so many of the summons or whatever they have, the statements that were issued.
Questions have been raised.
So the questions, not just questions, but there's an investigation, going on. And so we are interested in knowing that. But I think, what they do, to be a judge is a public thing. We want to know who is issuing those statements that is anti-people, because justice is about the people. And if you do anything that is anti-people, you should be questioned. You should take responsibility. You know what is going on now? What we are hearing now is that the Minister of Federal Capital Territory is building houses for judges. Are they not workers like Nigerian workers? Do they not have money for their housing that you are now want to build? Is it to pocket the judges and make sure that you can capture 2027 general election? Wike himself was in PDP. Is he in APC now? Is it because he's a minister, or is it because he delivered his state? I am using this medium to call on the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory. Women are suffering. Children are suffering. The people of Rivers are suffering. Nigeria is suffering because of the decisions. He made a statement before. He said the governor is not a small boy, that you have to respect him. Why is he not respecting him now? We need him to come back, because Rivers belong to his people. Generations of his children will go back to Rivers. He needs to come back now.
In further
and have a time. Let him repent.
Right.
Let him, there is time for reflection.
As Wike no go see better. 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 Ukile comrade no go see better. Ukile comrade no go see better.
My wonderful people, una don see am. When weekend Nigeria government come outside start building house for judges, and that is the reason why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is still in detention today, because the judicial system of Nigeria has been corrupted. And guess what happened? When the judicial system of the country is being corrupted, the next thing that follows is the downfall of that country, and that is what Nigeria are witnessing today. So those people are busy embezzling money and ruling on favor of the oppressor. And this is how the nation fared. And this is how Nigeria will collapse totally as it stands right now. My people, let us look into this matter concerning the illegal checkpoints in Southeast. This is one from Enugu to Awka. More will be reviewed. They have said they are going to review more of this checkpoint. Just watch this video and see what people are going through. As you see how they are collecting money from people, the drivers in the road. Just watch.
Are there so much checkpoints in the southeast?
Today we'll be counting how many checkpoints you pass from Enugu to Awka.
And this is just a 65-kilometer trip.
As a matter of fact, you get there in just 1 hour and 20 minutes. Let's get counting, guys.
Citizens are going through every day. This is what the people of Southeast are going through every day. This is what the Biafran people are going through every day. Now you see the reason why of the agitation rising in Southeast. They are using Southeast to make money by extorting people on the road. They are making billions by extorting people on the road. This is done by Nigeria Army, Navy, Police, Mobile, ESS, DSS, all of them put together. And this is what is going on in Southeast. So most of you do not know this. I'm seeing somebody in the comment section and saying that if there is no checkpoint and people will still complain. Who told you that? Who told you that? Who told this? You know, say this Nigeria, the worst thing that happened to Nigeria is they have a lot of Olodo. When you see Olodo, have iPhone 14, 16 Pro Max, but it's Olodo. Confirm Olodo. You don't think. You think from Nyash before they talk. They think from Nyash before they start talking. When you see them when you go to comment section, you see them writing, you will identify them immediately. Olodo, thinking from Nyash. Southeast do not need all this necessary security. They know where the people who are kidnapping and who are doing all these things are coming from. They are in the bush. Go to the bush and find them. Go to the bush and find them. If it is one, it will be more better. But up to 18 checkpoints in one road. What is going on? Why is it like that? Why is it not like that in the north and in the west? Why is it not like that? Why in the Southeast? Why in the Southeast, I'm asking. My people, let us jump inside Delta State. Go find out what they happen for that area. They say our brother, whether they call Ned Woko, don't come outside. They can't all say that for this last one, there is no going back. Oh, say for over how many years where their papa done they fight for this Alioma State. He say as it be like this now, they must achieve them this time in order way to join their brothers and making them see state in Southeast. Watch the video.
And you are also asking for the creation of Anioma State.
Yeah.
Is that possible?
It is very possible.
How? What is the need?
Well, the need is for self-determination. Let me tell you this. I represent 9 local government areas. My constituency is made up of 9 local government areas. Out of these 9 local government areas, 6 of them are oil and gas producing. We are predominantly an agricultural
agrarian
people, and but of course some of it have been devastated through oil and oil pollutions. But to have a state is something that our ancestors, our people have been clamoring for over 50 years. We are the Anyomas, are Igbos, largely Igbos.
So you want to be the 6th Southeast state?
We will be the 6th Igbo state. Because, I mean, we're getting the support from Southeast. The fact is that federal government is going to create one state. They will create one state. But that one state to be created to assuage the Igbos because they've been marginalized, as you know. Southeast is the only part of Nigeria.
How?
Of course, yeah. Look, you're talking as if you're not part of Nigeria. Southeast is the only zone that has 5 states. Others have 6 states, except Northwest that has 7. You don't call that being marginalized, isn't it? Why? How do you determine?
So if Anyama state come on stream, that will erase that.
And if you also listen to the youths who are killing and maiming, what are they clamoring for? Those who are in IPOB or ESN and the rest of them, what are they clamoring for? What are their outcries? They're talking about being marginalized. And one of those areas of being marginalized is that they have fewer states than others. So if we are on the other side, the Igbos on the other side of the river, what they call us Bendel Igbos or Western Igbos, if we also have a state that could become the 6th state of Southeast, or even if it's going to be 7th state in South, at least the fact is that the average Igbo person will feel, okay, something is being done for us.
All right.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. As you don't hear them, that's so bio that is not going back. Alioma State must stand. Alioma State must what? Stand. Our brothers across the rivers must join us back, and we are going to build a greater nation. A greater nation. I hearing Kepu say Tinubu want to do regional government. It's a very big opportunity for Igbo to expand and build a greater nation for themselves. My people, share this video and follow us on our new page, Balaba this vlog, and make sure say you follow us for TikTok as well. We did there, gidigbam. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in another video, my wonderful people.